mga Pilipino na ang mga joggers simula Abril 28 kay Joseph Frontier ng
This is the emergency alarm system. Please pay attention. This is the emergency alert system. Please pay attention. This is the emergency alert system. Please pay attention. Exactly 7:41 p.m. a mysterious phenomenon in the solar system. As a solar eclipse melted body. Please cover your window with your plywood. The Philippines still not affected yet. But anytime solar eclipse rise. The solar eclipse look like this. Please stay tuned in channel 7.
Someone so great as you, someone that could really count on and make me lose.
Solar eclipse is now here. Please do not go outside. The Philippines is now in nationwide emergency. Stay indoors and do not looking in the solar eclipse. The solar eclipse can melt your body and skin. Thank you so much for this challenging time.